Thanks for joining me for our math activity today. Today in our math workbook, we are going to do activity 3.3. It says, I can recognize, write, and count numbers 1 to 8. So we have been learning all about numbers 1 all the way to 10. And our activity is focusing today on numbers 6, 7, and 8. So we have our numbers and then we have pictures. Our job is to cut and glue our pictures, trace them, and then cut out the pictures and match the picture beside the right number, okay? So we have to count the objects and the squares. Let's get started. Let's open up our math book. Oh, see? So this is our last activity where we did 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And now we're going up one more to 8, 6, 7, 8. So turn our paper, and this is where we're going to do our work. And we might need both pages, and that's okay. So our first job is to cut out the title that says, I can recognize, write, and count numbers 1 to 8. Chomp, 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 chomp. Let's glue that on so we don't lose it. Perfect, right at the top. Great. Now, instead of cutting out every single little square and rectangle, we're just going to cut one big square. Perfect. You do your very best to cut out on the lines. Glue our paper. Flatten it down. Make sure it's nice and flat on our paper. Now, let's cut our pictures out, and then we'll count them. After we trace our numbers. So let's get out our pencil. Now, remember our number 6, okay? Matman tells us to do a big curve down and then a backwards magic C to keep going, all right? So we always start at the top and follow down. We do a magic C and keep going to make a circle. That backwards magic C helps us make our circle. Start at the top, curve big magic C down, keep going to make a circle. We're doing number 6. Ready? Magic C, keep going to make a circle. Magic C, keep going, make a little circle. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, number 6s. Next is number 7. We're going to do a little line across and then a big sideways line down. Little line across, 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 big sideways line down. Now number 8. So we can do number 8 a few different ways. We can do 2 circles, 1 circle, 2 circle. Or you can follow like a slide and go from the circle. We go curve and then back this way like that. So there's two different ways. They're both okay. Making 2 circles is probably the easiest way. That's how I like to do my 8s. So a circle and a circle. I'll show you down here how to do the other one. So it's like you're doing an S, the letter S. So you do a magic C, a backwards magic C to make an S, and then you finish the circles. Go up and connect it. So that's the other way we can make an 8. Now we're done tracing. We can cut our pictures and then count them and glue them next to the right number. Okay, let's count our trees first. How many trees are there? You help me count, okay? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So where is number 7? We'll find it and we'll glue our trees beside number 7. 6, 7. So we're gonna glue our picture on the other paper so we don't have our work all covered up like that, okay? We'll do beside. There, right beside the 7. 7, number 7, and 7 trees. Okay, let's count our apples. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 apples. 6, 7, 8. So we're gonna glue it beside number 8. This last picture must be number 6. Let's count just to double check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yes. Give yourself a high five. Woo! Great work.